Well, well, what could it be? What could it be? RevZilla sent something for me. Ooh, I wonder. Let's see. Let's see, what do we have? Second package from RevZilla. What do we have with these? Boom. Oh! This is pretty nice. All right, whatever. We have that is nice. Dainese Get this up. Get this off. And oh, that's nice. It's got a little bag for it. But this is Dainese Smart Jacket. I'm not gonna lie. She's pretty nice. Wait, what else was in this bag? Ready to ride in 3 simple steps. Download the app, connect your jacket, wear it and ride. So it's got little pockets on the back of the bag for it. One has cable to connect the jacket up. The other one, Jesus Christ. Guys, look at this. This is the instruction manual for it. Look at that. I bet it's because it's in multiple languages. Either way, who reads instructions? But the creme de la creme is the actual jacket. Oh. So I was talking to Jen. She wanted to know what I wanted riding gear wise. And I was like, why would I not get something that's gonna protect me in case? Look at this thing. Look at that. Oh. It's glorious. It's glorious. You don't even feel like you're wearing anything. And, oh, I need to check one thing. It fits under my jacket. No problem. So I took out my chest protector, took out my back protector, and all I'm rocking now is that guy. This is gonna be sweet. Oh, and it has a little pocket right there. Look at that. I know, I get excited over small things. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Not bad. Don't worry, I'm gonna do a ride with it. Don't know exactly when, but I'll do a ride with it. See exactly how it feels and everything. I think I might actually have to read that instruction booklet. Just because it could potentially save my life. Look at that. I can barely even tell I have it on. Look at that. Look at that fluidity. All that movement. And like I said, the other thing, it's pretty cool. Comes with its own little bag. Either way, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy. RevZilla, thanks. And hopefully I don't have to use it. That's the key. Hopefully I don't have to use it. But in the event that I do,